What if AI could help you save money, strengthen relationships, improve your health, and help you grow spiritually all at the same time? Today, I'll show you how you can use AI to use the 4 F's of life to help you take action immediately. Hi, and welcome back to Modest Money Matters, where we talk about how to make an online income with modest money, mindset, rebuilding, and life. I've been through some really tough times, losing confidence, financial stress, family challenges, but I have discovered that life can be rebuilt strategically. And one tool that has consistently helped me is AI, and more specifically, ChatGPT. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to improve all the areas of your life through something that I call the 4 F's. So for someone who hasn't heard of it, the 4 F's are a simple framework for a balanced life improvement. And here's what they mean. And this is in no particular order. Finances, how you manage your money, save, invest, and create financial security. Family and friends, the quality of your relationships, communication, and support network. Fitness, your physical health, energy levels, and habits that keep your body strong. And faith, your inner resilience, mindset, spiritually, or personal values that guide you. The idea is that all these 4 areas are connected. If one is weak, it affects the others. Strengthen all 4 and you build a life that's more resilient, happier, and you are more in control of. So with finances, AI can act like your personal financial advisor. And here is an actionable prompt that you can actually use. So for example, in budgeting, you can say, act like a financial advisor and create a monthly budget for someone who's earning XYZ and wanting to save ABC. Saving money. Suggest 10 ways I can save money this month without lowering the quality of my life. Debt management. Explain step by step how to pay off multiple debts to minimize interest. And a pro tip is to question AI. Ask, why are you suggesting this method? That will give you better understanding, a better reasoning. And when you have better understanding of something, that gives you clarity so you can move forward and you're not just following the instructions blindly. With friends and family, AI can help you with communication and maintaining healthy relationships. It can help you with conflict resolution. For example, you want to create boundaries with someone and you don't know how, and you can tell it to write a calm message to a family member explaining my perspective without sounding confrontational, because sometimes when emotions are running quite high, you can't sometimes form a coherent sentence, and replying back to that message can be difficult. So once you give the prompt to AI, you can then copy and paste your message that you've received from that family member into AI and just tell it to give you a calm message without sounding confrontational. It can also help to strengthen relationships. For example, give me 5 creative ways to reconnect with a friend that I haven't spoken to in months. It can also help with your fitness plans. I joined the gym a few months ago, first time I've ever joined the gym, and I thought I needed a personal trainer, and I can tell you and reassure you that was a whole load of waste of money for me. That was just my personal experience here. I opened ChatGPT and I asked it to build a personalized health plan for me. I was very specific with it, saying I want to tone up in the next 6 months and I have a sore knee, so give me exercises that I can do at home and in the gym to help me tone up. And it gave me a whole list of exercises that I could do, and I am sticking to that. It also gave me a nutritional guide of what to eat. I was very specific in my needs and what I like and what I don't like. So it catered towards that. It gave me recipes that were high in protein, that was under a certain calories, and that were easy to cook. And for faith, it doesn't necessarily have to be religious. It's about inner resilience, mindset, and personal values. For example, give me 5 reflective questions to help me grow spiritually and emotionally each day. Guide me through a 5-minute mindfulness exercise to reduce my stress and anxiety. But one thing you need to remember when using AI, which is be specific. Include numbers, goals, and timelines in your prompts. Question the AI. Ask why and how to dig deeper and give you more clarity. And the most important step of all is to take action. AI just gives you guidance. The results come from you doing it. For me, using AI like this has changed everything for me, from saving thousands in solicitor fees to rebuilding my confidence, even starting this YouTube channel. And it helped me realize that the 4Fs are all connected. When your finances, health, relationships, and mindset improve together, life feels manageable, even after the hardest of challenges. So if you found this video helpful, please do hit that share, like, and subscribe button. Comment below on which 4Fs you would like to focus on first. And remember, AI is just a tool. The action is yours. But with the right prompts, you can save money, improve your life, and take back control. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.